issue in India. Now it is a global problem in India. So nowadays crime rate is skyrocketing in India. So that's why we have discussed about the women's safety. Nowadays, women are feeling women's situation are painful in India. So that's why we tell about the women's safety. Women are not safe either at a home or the outside. So it has become a major problem where the urbanization gives wings to the women to break the prison and show their talent to the world. But nowadays they have a fear. So that's why we discuss the women's safety. Now I want to tell you about some kind of a threats for the women. That is the violence and discrimination, rape and sexual violence, dowry death and racy attacks. According to NCRB, National Crime Report Bureau, every girl is subjected to be domestic violence in every 4.4 minutes, and they are the victim of a rape in 4.4 minutes. So this is the major problem, and acid attack is a very violent in the teenagers group. So it has become a major problem. So I discuss the challenge of the women's safety. Challenge like a patriarchal mindset, legal loopholes, lack of awareness and unreported cases. Patriarchal mindset that they said as the women are inferior than a man. So it is a patriarchal mindset. Legal loopholes, you heard about the Junko Futa story in Japan. If we are not safe in a country like Japan, then where we feeling safe? So it is a major legal loopholes. The criminal of Junko Futa is freely enjoy their life till the day because of a shelter of some politician and a legal loopholes. So it is a major problem in India also. Now I discuss about the solution. Creating awareness, you should aware about the fundamental rights in India and self-defense. So government is taken some major steps like providing a self-defense practice, using safety tools like a paper spray and by the help of NGOs, we maintain a mentally and physically strong to the woman. At last, I want to say one word that words suffer a lot not because of the violence of a bad people, but the silence of a good people. So I request to all of you, please let's take a stand. So please everyone stand and let's take with oath with me.